science project, I'm doing Isaac Newton's first and third law. Let's get started. Isaac Newton was an English physicist, mathematician, astronomer, and a natural philosopher. Newton's first law is the law of inertia. Inertia is a property of an object that describes how much it will resist change to the motion of the object. Isaac Newton's first law is the law of inertia. The law of inertia means that an object at rest tends to stay at rest, and an object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted by an unbalanced force. For example, this scooter is just laying there. It's at rest. It has equal forces in opposite directions, which cause it to have no motion. If I come along and pick it up and ride it, then it will no longer be at rest. It will be in motion. If it's in motion and I stop it and I lay it down again and I just leave it there, then it will be at rest once again. Another example of Isaac Newton's first law is a ball. A ball is an object that can be at rest. So you put this object down to the ground, and if I don't touch it, it's at rest. But if I come along and I kick it, then it's no longer at rest. It's in motion. If an object at motion tends to stay in motion, then why doesn't a moving object move forever? Well, haven't you ever wondered that? The answer is simple. The answer is that every moving object has an unbalanced force that acts upon it. For example, if you throw an object in the air, like this, it's going to come back down. That is gravity. Another example of this is friction. Some moving objects stop because of friction. For example, you can get any object, and I have a book right now, and you can slide it, if you slide it across a floor or a table or like a flat surface, it's eventually going to stop. See? And this happens because of friction. There are 4 different types of frictions. There is sliding friction, rolling friction, static friction, and fluid friction. Newton's third law is that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. An example of this is a rock when it gets thrown to the ground. I'm up in a tree right now, so if I throw the rock down to the ground, it's probably going to break in half, or the ground is going to have the same effect to the rock. So look. See? The ground pushed the rock back up, and the rock bounced up again. Another example of Isaac Newton's third law is that I'm going to use a rock and I'm going to throw it into the water. Once I throw the rock into the water is going to have the same force and push the rock back up. But the water may not be that strong, so it's going to splash up. Look. I throw this rock into the water, and if I throw another one, see, the water splashed up a little. This is another example of Isaac Newton's third law. Okay, so if I put my foot over here, and if I push that, then the tree is going to give me that